Hey folks, welcome back to the Etowah Chainsaw Museum. Today we got saw number 10 in the collection, a Stihl MS660. This saw, I bought this new about, 14 years ago, maybe 15. And it has been, hands down, the best saw I've ever owned. And I've owned a few saws, and without doubt this has been the best one. I've used it a lot, enjoy it. Almost its whole life it's had that max flow air filter on it, and it's had dual port muffler, and that's all. Right now it's got 36-inch steel bar with the regular steel chain, and it's used, but it's still good. There's still life in that chain. Okay, people say my saw's got the compression it had when it was new. I doubt it. Let's see. This one I'm no doubt. Well, pretty good. But I think when it was new, I could have picked the bar and all up with it. Granted, it is a big bar, 36 inches, so that is a good bit of weight, but it has lost compression. This is, if you buy a used 660, it's been used but not mistreated, this is about what you can expect to get. We'll make a video cutting a big piece of oak that I got laying around with it here in a little while, but right now let's just start it, see how it sounds. That idle's a little bit high for me on a bar this long, because half the time I have to carry it around in the woods with the bar facing the back out in front instead of out in front of me. Sometimes I forget to put the chain brake on, and a bar this long, if it's moving, sooner or later it's going to get you. It just will. So if I was going to use this saw, I'd turn that idle down just a little bit, because, well, one reason I ain't strong enough to carry it like I did, but you got to be careful. The longer bars are nice. They save you back. To me, they're a lot safer, but you got to be careful where you're pointing them, because you might get eat up. Alright, we'll do a video here in a little while of this saw running. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.